I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We're here on a 2018 Lexus ES. We just installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay conversion kit, and wow, does it make a big difference in this vehicle. As you can see, our 10.25-inch screen fits really nicely in the original socket and looks like something that came from Lexus. With our screens, you can long hold the menu button at any time to switch back to your factory display. You don't lose any factory functionality. Our screens are fully touchscreen. As well, you can use the factory mouse to interface with it. When you touch it, that mouse will disappear. The back button works in CarPlay and will take you back to the home screen. We'll show you through some of the features of CarPlay now. I use Apple Music, so you can see Apple Music shows up here. Whether you use Spotify, SoundCloud, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, they'll automatically show up in CarPlay. You can easily select music and see your albums and all information. Back home, one of the most compelling features of CarPlay is Maps. Here's Apple Maps. Our screen is fully compatible with Apple Maps as well as Google Maps, Waze, or any other navigation system you want to use. In Apple Maps or the others, you'll get audible instructions.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater.
You can see this really makes it feel like a brand new vehicle. Coming back home, we'll show you some more functionality. As you can see, text messages and phone calls are so easy with our displays.
Parker said want to grab dinner tonight. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Parker?
Yes.
Your message says yes. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Done.
As you can see, Siri makes texting very easy, as well as phone calls. Hey Siri, call Parker.
Calling Parker Visuals, mobile.
Hello?
Parker, I'm calling you from a Lexus ES. Our systems use the factory microphone. How do we sound?
It sounds great.
Awesome. I'll call you later.
See ya.
Many other systems try to install aftermarket microphones that lower quality. Ours is one of the few that's able to integrate with your factory microphone. This makes using Siri very functional. As well, for phone calls, your voice will sound crisp and clear. Of course, with our system, your factory reverse camera can show up in CarPlay, and when you put it back in park, you'll come right back to CarPlay. If you have any questions, check out our installation video on our YouTube channel. As well, you can check out our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.